Welcome back, adventure seekers. We are somewhere in the middle of West Virginia on the day one route of the infamous Monongahela Adventure Trail, also known as the I.M.A.T. We're just coming up on Snowshoe Resort and finishing up a glorious day of riding. So sit back and enjoy the ride on this local route adventure. Snowshoe Mountain. Well, I was just informed by the snowshoe police that we're not allowed to fly drones here. Sorry. That's where we stayed during the GNCC in 2008. We found food. Follow your nose. All right, got my belly full. A little dose of some caffeine, and I'm ready to go. Let's see how much of this we can get around here today. If I feel this good when I get to the end of day one route, I might just circle back and do day three. It's only noon, halfway around, no promises. Well, I had to take a little detour because there's a huge satellite communications dish or antenna, I guess. I think I remember seeing something about this on the Got to Go channel, the lady from Germany. Nice rough road. Rough road, Raggy. Heck yeah. Up on Buffalo Ridge and finally found us a dirt road. Very nice, very nice. About 120 miles into the first day, and like I need a nap. I can tell you, I doubt I'm going to get much of the day three route in, because this day one route is probably going to be about all this old body can handle. Also, there's a lot of cool roads right around this area. I think it's Buffalo Ridge. I'll put it down here. I can't remember what the name of this area is. So I'm going to take a little breather, and I am going to try to power through, go back and cook all the food I didn't cook last night. See you soon. Well, I got me a nap. That's right. I pulled over in a dispersed camping spot and found some shade, and man, that was a good 20 minutes. I feel so much better. And now we're rocking and rolling again. Getting close to finishing up the day one route. It's been a good one. I've really had a great time, other than my 45 minutes of fighting sleep and finally giving in and taking a nap. I am starving. I cannot wait to get back to camp and pray that the bears did not find my food stashed in the woods. Well, adventure seekers, this be the end and also the beginning, not in that order, of day one, route one of the I.M.A.T. And now I've got a little 10 to 20 mile jaunt to get back to my humble abode for the weekend. Home sweet home. Made it back to camp. I'm one tired son's a gun. And I did 260 miles today and 78 miles of gravel just getting to and from day one route. So that was a bear of a day, especially after not getting much sleep last night and riding 8 hours to get here yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna eat a bunch of food. See you in a few, or good night, catch you in the morning. Well, I had to at least show you the stir fry. This is way too much food, but we're gonna give it a shot. Well, here we are, all bedded down, ready for a long winter's nap. And the weather has taken a turn, as it always does on my second full day anywhere I go. So I think I'm just going to go see Seneca Rocks tomorrow and Dolly Sods and a few other things. Check out all the gravel roads I haven't seen. Headed out of my campsite here at Monongahela Mountain. And then just work my way back home tomorrow. So it'll leave me a little space later in life to come back and run day 2 and day 3, they call it, of the I.M.A.T. And then there's still the I.M.A.T, which is the southern part of this. So always plenty to do, never enough time. Anyhow, I am tired. We'll talk to you guys real soon. See you in the morning. Nighty night.